Pag may nakita kang mas magaling sa'yo, mas matalino sa'yo, o mas maganda sa'yo, willing kang pumalakpak, willing kang magbigay ng appreciation. At hindi mo hahanapan ng mali, hindi naman, meron naman ganito, ganito naman yan siya. Hahanapan mo ng flaws because deep inside, insecure ka. Dahil deep inside, you're not that humble because hindi mo matanggap na lalalamangan ka. And that is a sign that you are not humble. So when are you humble? Humility accepts deep inside, you know what you're worth, but at the same time, you also are able to appreciate others and respect them for their own worth. At hindi mo ipipilit na ikaw lang ang pinakamagaling. And since humility nga is being able to regard others as better than yourselves, makikita yan sa paano mo ituring yung kapwa mo. For example, waiters or mga kasambahay. Let me give you a very specific example. Pag ang isang tao is rude to a waiter or to a waitress, that actually shows na hindi siya humble. Bakit? Mababa ang tingin niya sa mga taong mas mababa ang trabaho sa kanya. Hindi niya kaya silang irespeto, hindi niya kayang bigyan ng patience. He's not humble because hindi niya kayang tanggapin sa sarili niya ang posibilidad na mas magaling yung tao na yun kaysa sa kanya, mas tama yung tao na yun, o mas matalino siya compared sa kanya. There's always that possibility. That's why we always respect them no matter what status they are in life. If you can